Hi, welcome back to hostbox cse channel and back to the tutorial for computer networks. Today we are going to see the important question on network security, symmetric key, cryptography concept. In the previous session, I explained about what is cryptography and the types of cryptography and so on. Please kindly check the playlist when you have doubt and continue the video sessions. And I hope that this tutorial definitely helpful for who want to crack the exams like UGC GATE and so on and so on. Let's go for the problem now. The question asked here, the GATE 2015. Suppose that everyone in a group of n people want to communicate secretly with the n-1 others using symmetric key cryptography system. The communication between any two persons should not be decodable by the others in the group. And the number of keys recorded in a system as a whole to satisfy the confidential requirement is answer given 421 n of n-1 and so on. So what you have to miss, we have to check which formula is suitable and how we can solve the problem now. So the here what the highlighting here, the communication between any two persons should not be decodable by the others in the group. That is highlighted point here. So let's first solve the problem. So if you want to solve the problem, what you can do, you can find the number of possible pairs from the n given people. So the number of ways to choose two persons from the option is n people is equal to nc to 1 and n factorial by n minus 1. At last we can shortlist with n of n minus 1 by 2. Let's see the example here. Let's assume that number of people. Suppose number of people is 1 means there is no lead of key point here. There is no key value is 0, and number of people 2 means we need at least one key sharing the details information. If a number of 3 persons communicating, we need 3 that is n into n minus 1 by 2 formula only. So that's only. Then 4 means what happened? 4 into 4 minus 1 by 3, so it becomes 6. If the number of people is 5 means we need 10 keys here to share the details or share the information. So we can conclude the answer is n into n minus 1 by 2 formula. So the right option is answer is C here. So very simple and easy. Right answer is C now. C is the right answer. So if you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the following social media. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.